Hi, I'm Laura Rosenberg. I'm with the Ohio Ophthalmological Society, and I'm the program director for their SuperSpecs eye safety program. We knew that we had this new initiative. We knew it was a new project we were very excited to tackle, but honestly, we were also very overwhelmed. We weren't sure who to work with as a provider, and we honestly were not sure about how to make this great vision that we had come to life. I think that what made us realize that we needed outside help was truly that we realized we had no idea where to go. We knew that we had this great vision. We knew what we believed we wanted to accomplish, but we knew that we didn't have the skill set internally to make the vision come to life. So we reached out to Cobblestone. We reached out to the whole team. We had a chance to meet with them a couple of times to kind of go through our questions, talk a little bit about what we were looking for, what we were seeing as our vision. And they brought so much expertise and so much knowledge and excitement to our project that we knew they were absolutely the right pick for us. We actually had a pretty extensive search process for finding the right group to work with for our organization. For our organization, it was a huge commitment, not just financially, but also like time, for our time, and for wanting to make sure that we got the very best product in the end. So we met with a number of other vendors. And what stood out the most truly about Cobblestone was their attitude, that they knew that they could just get in there right from the very start with us. They really understood us. They had a strong commitment to wanting to partner, to be a true partner, not just for the time that we were involved in launching and going through the whole project together, but even afterward. It was completely true that we knew that we'd be able to count on them for not just for what we were doing immediately, but for what we were going to be looking at for the lifetime of our program. Our day to day experience was phenomenal. We had weekly meetings with the entire team. We had daily correspondence with everyone. And then we also had every week, we kind of had a calendar letting us know where we were as far as meeting the deadlines, the things, the deliverables, the things that we needed to get accomplished, and the things that were done during that time. So it really helped keep all of us on track. And it really allowed all of us to work together as a unit. So we felt that we were just collaborating as a team, which was so, so helpful. When you start working on a project, you have a vision and you believe that it's going to go one specific way. But what we found getting into the project is sometimes you realize that there are opportunities for additional things, or maybe something could be said better or could be accomplished in a different way. What we loved about working with Cobblestone was the opportunity to be able to be collaborative and for them to be flexible and to guide us through the process. They really brought a lot of their own expertise and knowledge from what's happening in the industry, where things are going. And they allowed us to sort of tap into all of their wisdom to help create something truly even better than we ever thought. So, since working with Cobblestone, we actually launched 3 different modules for our training program around eye safety. We are doing this for the vocational career technical space for kids in those schools throughout the state of Ohio. Super excited about it. It's something that's never been done before, and we love the product that we created. How important it is to provide the flexibility and the resources that we have now to be able to provide to all of those learners out there. I have done all the research. Our team did all the research. They are fantastic to work with. They are so easy, and truly, you will have the most spectacular product in the very end. You will be so pleased that you did work with them.